Hi everyone, this is DIY Dad, Ken Breheim, with another video. Today we have a Sun Joe weed trimmer, 24 volts, which has a nice battery on it. It's lightweight, has a nice handle on it. One of the great features I love about this is if you look, there's no string. There's an actual plastic blade, and it comes with multiple other blades for replacement if they break, which is a nice feature that I really like. It also comes with a longer HartBlade for trimming the edge of sidewalks and fences. The Sun Joe 67682 weed trimmer can be purchased at heartlandamerica.com.